Well, a slight positive export data coming in for the pharma players, and do remember that the tariffs are expected to kick in, so majority of the Indian pharma players have actually boosted and sold their export sales going to US, especially in these markets, at the older rates as well, and that is over the last 2 to 3 odd months. The data which you are seeing are on an elevated position, of course a lower base. Sun Pharma, this is a positive reaction. Specialty segment has given a strong return, almost 17% year-on-year basis growth, supported by Lumia, out of which 50% of this contribution is coming from this segment. Within generics, if you look at it, the generic segment, there was a market share loss in the C products, that's the company's name, and from the peak of 21% it's down to almost 9 odd percent. And G Pentasa, that is also, if you look at it from the peak levels, that has actually come down, but largely net the specialty contribution is higher, so it is positive. Dr. Reddy's, there has a fall in market share coming in the key generic products, Suboxone and Ciprodex to be actually precise, but now they have stabilized after flattish sales coming in, and now the market share in Gyprocel, that has increased to almost 10%. So overall net this is positive for Dr. Reddy's as well. Lupin, let's look at it. Spiriva, the market share, that is stable at 32%, and Albuterol's market share, that has declined by roughly 270 bips, and the sales has benefited actually from the launches coming of Predfonte. So net it is still positive if you look at on a consolidated basis. But Zydus Life, and that's on the weaker side. My Biotric tablets market share, that has been around 22 to 21 odd percent, but that's down roughly 10 to 11 bips, and the market share in Ortho-Evra, that has increased to 37 odd percent, but net it is on the negative side. Now let's look at the numbers, because we have discussed a lot of technical pharma products, but what are the easy numbers to actually remember? The sales changes, where the month-on-month changes has happened. Towards the negative side, we are having Zydus, Aurobindo Pharma and Bicon. These are the numbers month-on-month basis, while for Sun Pharma and DRL, there has been an increase of 13 and 19% respectively. But overall net the pharma exports to US, be it ex-Revlimid or including that drug, has been strong, and this is of course coming in because of the tariffs expected to kick in on July 9th.